आप सर्व कर देंगे दोनों को?
Yeah, okay.
Sir, can I have a new plate?
एक और प्लेट हाँ.
Yeah, hey people, so this is mac and cheese and yeah, sir. Yeah, and he called him sir. That's nice. We should always be. Yes, and very like that. To be polite is also so important. So this is mac and cheese, and if you could just take a bite and tell us how it tastes. Put some in your plate. Okay. How to do it? Do we have?
I
Okay.
just take the same spoon and poke.
Okay.
That's why he's giving you a different.
Okay.
Give it.
Okay. So this is good.
ये सर्व कर देंगे?
Yeah. Here, this is a spoon also, right? Ayush, you could serve. Yes. How would he be able to do that? Okay, I'll step out.
Yeah.
Okay, this is
No,
right.
anyway.
Sorry. Okay. Okay. Yeah, in fact, it could. Probably even I'll have some.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah, no, just to because serving is one so much effort. So yeah, if you were to take a look at this place, it's quite cute. Yeah, thoda sa. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's good.